Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. Our today's topic is vowels, and the objective is to identify and read vowels and consonant letters. So what we can do, we can ask the student to sing the alphabet song A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And we can invite the students to come and write down letters here. Okay, like this. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we can tell them a story that students, one day all the letters went to play in a jungle, and when they were playing there together, 5 letters, how many letters? 5 letters got disappeared. They were very naughty. The rest of the letters went to find them out, and hardly they found them playing under a tree. And do you know, can you name those 5 letters? Do you know their names? These 5 letters are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels, and rest of others are called consonant. Now you can invite the student to come and to encircle vowels like this, vowels, and rest are called consonants. Now you can play different games with your students. For example, you can give these 5 flashcards to your students and you can ask them to do the role play of the vowels. They can come and speak like this. I am letter A and I am a vowel. I am letter I and I am a vowel. I am letter O and I am a vowel. I am letter U and I am a vowel. And I am letter E and I am a vowel. Then what you can do, you can use alphabet box, flashcard box. You can ask them to pick up a flashcard from the box, read the letter and tell is it a vowel or not. So E, is it a vowel or not? Yes, it's a vowel. Good. After this, you can tell them that all of these vowels, A, E, I, O, and U are the friends of a word an. When they are single one, then they begin with the word an. And all the consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z are the friends of A. Whenever they are written, they are single, they use the word A. Like this, You can write different words on the board. For example, you can write apple. Apple. Is it beginning with the vowel? Yes, it is. So it's going to have an apple, an apple. Now read the next word. Bat, bat, bat. B. Is this a vowel or a consonant? This is a consonant. So it's going to be it begins with the word a bat, a bat. Then you can play a game. You can write down different words on the board like this. I, ink pot, rat, jug, orange, mat, umbrella, flag. And you can ask the student to come and to write a or an before these words. A or an before these words. Now you can ask them to open their books and you can invite them for the reading. You can tell them that look at this bubble or mind map and there are written the vowels and these are the consonants. For the written practice, you can give a piece of a paper, plain paper, or you can ask them to open their notebooks and you can ask them to write down vowels and then to write them the consonants. After this, you can do this exercise. It can be done on their notebooks and then you can go for the next pages related to the topic vowels. Remember that 4 or 5 periods or 4 or 5 days should be given to clarify this concept vowels. Thank you very much.